All right, y'all. What a friend I have, man. My friend, Black Man, is the best, y'all. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you what he gave me, y'all.
The whole world better recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy addict. Yeah, man. Do what you love, and love what you do. If it's more than a habit, be a Chevy addict. Ain't it, man? Chevys get ready. 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 Chevys get ready.
I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit. I'm a Chevy addict.
It's a Chevy thing. Rolling in my Tahoe on 28s. I gotta be great. Making the earthquake and windows shake. 418s make it scream. Or I can come real cool and slide through. In the cut is old school on 24s. You know what I mean, man? It's a Chevy thing.
Do what you love.
All right, y'all. Y'all looking at an 18-inch chainsaw, right? A gas chainsaw. 42cc two-stroke. That chainsaw, y'all. And man, we got some trees to cut down, y'all. Get some work done out on side in the backyard. Came with the oil for it. With this 2-cycle, you gotta mix this with gas, y'all know. Came with the spark plug wrench right here. With the screwdriver on the back of it, right here. Came with a file and a screwdriver. And most of all, y'all, the instruction manual, y'all. Came with instruction manual. So I'm gonna go ahead and untake this and cut this out the plastic, y'all. Tell you, man, my friend Black Man, always look out for your boy. Always look out for your boy. So, shouts out to Black, my homie. My homie. So y'all know, you got there's a pool store. Portland. Got my little guard right here. Yes, sir. Got my nice little blade on it right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, shouts out to my boy, Black. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. That's one of the solid ones we have in our corner. Came with good instructions, man, and very detailed, man. I'm gonna enjoy this. So the pool right here, and got trigger right here, off and on right here, choke, all this at the third, y'all. So your boy finally got him a chainsaw. So right here, you add your gas right here, twist this out, put your gas in, with your mixed gas, and got the window right here to see how much gas in it. So, and it got instructions all around. Off and on switch right here. You cut it down, cut it off, how you want to do it. Got the prime bowl right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gotta prime this down, start it up. Y'all know your boy's gonna go hand with this, y'all. So trying to make some money, y'all. Trying to make some money. So got this bill going on with Lucille. I gotta make all of my can for pause, y'all, and take care of my people. So we good, y'all. Other than that, y'all, make sure y'all stay locked into the channel. We're gonna see y'all in the next video. And thank y'all once again for coming by and check what your boy got unboxing tonight, y'all. Alright, y'all. We see you on the next live. Peace.
The whole world better recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy.